In a recent high-profile case, a Nigerian cybercriminal based in France, Chukwuemeka Victor Amachukwu, has been extradited to the United States to face a slew of charges related to a sophisticated cybercrime scheme that swindled victims out of over $819,000. This announcement, made jointly by U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, Jay Clayton, and Assistant Director in charge of the FBI New York Field Office, Christopher G. Raya, highlights a significant victory in the ongoing battle against international cybercrime. Amachukwu, also known by aliases Chukwuemeka Victor Amachukwu and So Kwon Leung, stands accused of orchestrating a complex cyber operation that involved wire fraud, hacking, and identity theft. If convicted, he could face up to 47 years in prison, a sentence that underscores the severity of his alleged crimes. The case, which has been assigned to U.S. District Judge Paul G. Gardefee, reveals a meticulously planned scheme where Amachukwu and his co-conspirators compromised personal data and financial information by unauthorized access to victims' email accounts and online systems. According to prosecutors, the group targeted U.S. tax businesses, stealing sensitive information and using it to file fraudulent tax returns and claims with government bodies. As alleged, Chukwuemeka Victor Amachukwu took part in a scheme to hack into U.S. tax businesses, trade in the stolen identifying information of victims, and defraud the IRS and other governmental bodies, said U.S. Attorney Jay Clayton. He further emphasized the commitment of his office and law enforcement partners to protect Americans from both domestic and international criminals. FBI Assistant Director in charge Christopher G. Raya added, Amachukwu allegedly operated multiple illicit fraud schemes, identity theft, computer intrusions via spearphishing, and false investments, profiting at the costs of others. His remarks serve as a stark warning to those who might consider engaging in similar criminal activities. The investigation revealed that starting in at least 2019, Amachukwu and his co-conspirators used spearphishing emails to infiltrate U.S.-based tax preparation businesses, stealing tax and personal information of thousands of individuals. With this data, they filed fraudulent tax returns, seeking refunds totaling approximately $8.4 million, successfully obtaining at least $2.5 million. Additionally, they exploited the stolen identities to secure fraudulent payouts from the Small Business Administration's Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program, amounting to around $819,000. Amachukwu's criminal activities extended beyond tax fraud. He was also involved in a separate scheme where he promised victims lucrative investments in standby letters of credit that did not exist. Through this deception, he managed to swindle millions of dollars from unsuspecting individuals. Arrested in France at the request of the United States, Amachukwu was subsequently extradited to face justice. He is charged with multiple counts, including conspiracy to commit computer intrusions, wire fraud, and aggravated identity theft, each carrying significant prison sentences. This case underscores the importance of international cooperation in combating cybercrime and serves as a reminder of the relentless efforts of law enforcement agencies to protect citizens from sophisticated fraud schemes. As the prosecution proceeds, it will be closely watched by both legal experts and the public, highlighting the challenges and successes in the fight against digital criminality.